This next tutorial is about Google Drive and Google Docs. From my email account, I'm going to click on the Apps button, the Google Drive icon, and from there it will take me to my folder. As you can see, I've got some different documents in here. I can create new folders, call it whatever I'd like. I'm going to call this my block plan folder. And you can drag and drop any files into that folder as you'd like. I can also upload files. I can upload Word documents, Excel documents, PDF, PowerPoint. I can save them in their original format, or I can save them into what are called Google Documents. This first one, Google Docs, is actually just like Microsoft Word. You can see all the different options here are very similar as Microsoft Word. One very unique option is that you can share this with other Gmail accounts. Then each user can make updates to the document simultaneously, and both are saved. There is no save button in all the Google documents. Anytime you make any change, it's automatically saved. So exiting out, I'm going to click New again and click on Sheets, which is exactly like Microsoft Excel. You can see all the options are very similar. Again, over to the right, you can see the Share button where you can share with anybody. Exiting out, I'm going to go back to my Drive folder and click on New again and click on Slides, which is exactly the same as Microsoft PowerPoint. Amazingly, again, all the options are the same as Microsoft PowerPoint. Exiting out, I'm going to go back to my Google Drive folder, click New, and then click on More this time and go to Google Forms, which is like SurveyMonkey that allows you to create questionnaires. My first question, I'm going to just put in there, what is your name? I'm going to choose text as the type of question. Adding another item, I'm going to type, what is your child's name? I'm going to keep the question as text as is the default. My last question is going to be, do you like the color blue? That I'm going to change the question type to be multiple choice. My first option, I'm going to type yes, and the second option, no, and click Done. Then I'm going to click on View Live Form to see it live on the internet. And I can actually type in some test answers and then click Submit. I'm going to exit out and go back to my form editor. And I can click Responses and choose Response Destination and create a new spreadsheet to hold the responses. Then I can go up and click View Responses, and in my new spreadsheet, I will see my first test response. Any other responses will come in below here in subsequent rows. Lastly, I wanted to show you that you can get a pre-filled URL. So you can actually copy and paste this URL in an email to parents if you'd like, and they can click on that link and fill out the form for you. Exiting out here back to our folder, you can see that those new files were automatically added into my folder. I'm just going to delete them for now as they're not actually needed. And lastly, I'm going to go to New again, More, and Google Drawings, which is just like Paint on your computer. You can see a lot of the same options here. Insert shapes. Again, very similar to Paint on your computer. And maybe similar to Publisher also, kind of a combination of both. That's really it, everybody. Google Documents, as you can see, can do a lot of things. You can access them from any computer that has internet, and again, you can share them with any other users you'd like. Sorry this was a long one. Thanks for listening.